Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a few days ago, so that is where the red and green lines are coming from. But since that video, the price has just continued to beast mode up. So much so, in fact, that, yeah, those levels still pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant anymore. And from the presentation point of view, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So I'm just going to get rid of them now, and we'll kind of start anew on more so current levels as far as the chart is concerned. So let's first talk about one of the newest areas of support, what I would call the ideal level of support, and that's right there at 0.013. Now, ideal meaning, hey Clay, what makes this chart look the absolute best? And that would be if the price can stay up above 0.013. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price breaks below that level, that doesn't mean the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line here is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0.013 would be great, but as far as the big picture is concerned, as long as the price is up above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to touch on those because resistance levels don't matter. What do I mean by they don't matter? Well, they don't matter in this situation because what matters the most is what the price has already been doing, and that is this right here. Just build on those higher bases. Or if you want to picture those as stair steps. So as next week plays out, as long as those stair steps continue to be constructed higher and higher, then given enough time, everything else will take care of itself, including breaking levels of resistance. So just focus on those healthy consolidations, focus on chipping away at those higher lows, and sit back and let the trend continue to do what it's already been doing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.